If you've been watching my channel for a while, then it shouldn't be a surprise that I'm a fan of the Fast and the Furious franchise, specifically the first couple of movies. I've built a couple of cars from the movies and I will be building a lot more. Now recently Scaleproduction came out with a conversion kit for a Fujimi Golf 3 to turn it into a Jetta, and then even more recently they also came out with the Transkit to convert it into Jesse's Jetta from the Fast and the Furious movie. So of course the Fujimi Golf that I just unboxed will be converted into a Jetta with the Scaleproduction Transkit. If you're interested in this specific Transkit, there are links in the description down below. They have limited quantities available and they won't be available forever. So if you want one, feel free to check out those links and or contact Scaleproduction for availability. So in order to convert that Fujimi kit into a Jetta, of course I'm not going to be using the stock body, but Scaleproduction supplied a new fully resin cast body with the Jetta shape of course to it. As usual with Scaleproduction, this is super high quality, doesn't seem to have any flaws whatsoever, and is a real breeze to use as there's not that much prep that needs to be done to it. Some of the additional parts like the new grille with other headlights and other parts are included as well. These of course are parts like the new side skirts, a new exhaust and muffler as well with some different tips, the new grille with some modified headlight buckets as well, small lip for on the rear bumper. The one that is molded onto the body needs to be removed and this one will fully replace it. The same goes for the front as well. It also comes with a small extension for the rear chassis as that is a bit too short with the new Jetta body, so that needed to be a bit longer. A small insert for in the trunk with the US license plate size instead of the standard European size that is used on the molded body. And also a 2-part rear spoiler. It also includes some nice new wheels with tires as well. On the interior side of things, there are also a couple of new parts included, like a new steering wheel, some other details all around for the exterior, and also some more parts for the clear parts, as some of these are different than the standard Fujimi kit. And of course, you can't build the Fast and Furious cars without a nice new decal sheet with a couple of the cool decals that were used back in the day. A really high quality sheet of decals. It even has some chrome plating on it as well, which you don't really see all that often. All the other decals are nice and clean and have a good look to them. And then to top it off, there is also a small sheet of photo etch material as well, with some new disc brakes and also some parts for the interior with the seatbelt buckles.